This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 1 Review. When to start your own business. Hi, Takuma. I've been thinking about starting my own business. Do you have any advice? Well, a business attached to your time is a job. If you work more, you earn more, but it's still like being an employee. Hmm, I see. So you mean I should build something that can grow even when I'm not working all the time? Exactly. And remember, businesses that solve needs win. If people really need what you offer, they'll come to you. But sometimes it feels like it's impossible to create a fortune without a lot of money or luck. There may be some restriction on entry, like needing a license or capital, but it's possible. You can find a way. I want to do something unique, but I also see so many people following trends. Don't join a trend, start a trend. If you just copy others, you'll always be behind. Good point. I've heard if you sell to millions, you'll make millions. Exactly. The internet gives you access to a huge market. Just focus on solving a real problem and offering value. Thanks, Takuma. I feel more confident now. I'm going to start planning tonight. Great. Let me know if you need help. I'm excited to see what you create. Okay, good job.